What's up, Tint family? This is Mike, Dirty Promotions. I just finished recording doing an install on an Audi A3 removal of film, reinstallation. This video I do produce it for the 101, 201s window film installers that ask me, how do you do it? What is a good application? Why am I having problems here? What tools do you use? The tools that you sell in your store, how do you use them? I've never seen you use them perhaps before because I haven't looked at some of the videos or all the videos. So this video is to address those questions, 101s, 201s, tips and tricks how to get all these installations to, let's say, 96, 97, 98% good. You're never going to get a perfect install, but these videos will show you up close pictures, live feed or feed that really shows exactly where the problem areas are. If the application is actually a good application or not, you're going to see them. You know, it's very easy for somebody to do an after picture or before picture, but let's go ahead and do the process. This is the only way that I think that you're able to learn through an actual application process, because doing reels 30 seconds of pop 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 pop, you know, give you a lot of likes and all that kind of good stuff, but I want to shy away from that because then I'm not doing instruction and people will actually not learn anything about application tips and tricks and that kind of stuff. Thanks a lot for following, and I hope you enjoy the video. Have an awesome day. What's going on, pros? This is Mike with another Dirty Promotions video. This is an Audi A3. We're going to do a removal of old window film, which is this one, and then the doors. You can see the same thing. We're going to remove all the vehicle. I'm going to show you some tips and tricks on how to maybe manage some of this control contamination on either a Cali roll, or, well, I don't do the Frankie, but you know, on a roll on a back window. These right here, remove gaskets on these right here, bottom load them, that kind of good stuff. Right off the bat, I'm going to give you a very good tip. Right here in there, go ahead and put about, I don't know, 3-4 ounces of vinegar, just a white type of table vinegar, whatever, so that your canister at the bottom, because you always put you know, faucet water and stuff like that, it's going to become like white corrosion on the bottom, and eventually over the time that you do that, that stuff is going to like clog up and fuck up your whole device right there. So yeah, 3-4 ounces of vinegar in there with your solution, I don't know, every time or every other time or whatever. It'll keep that canister clean on the bottom. It'll eat all the white corrosion on the bottom and you won't have a problem. So longer lasting tools, of course, make better tools for the industry. You can see what's going on in there. Not so difficult to remove, actually. All right, I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. Let me go ahead and start preparing for the rest of the video. Old green tint. Okay, on these type of vents, they're kind of like, if you do a computer cut pattern or even hand cut pattern, if it's all the way in there, it's kind of hard to get my fingernails in there. As you can see, I couldn't get it out. So what I did, I just cut a little bit of, you know, with a square blade, a little bit of slit here, steam a little bit, and then the rest comes pretty easy. Let the water drip down for a couple of seconds so that whatever contamination is at the top can come down. Leave it there for a couple of seconds. Then of course prep it with your squeegee. Do your install. Clean your hands before you touch the pattern. All right? Core patterns. A little bit of check on the quality. Let's make sure everything's in par with what we provide here. Everything awesome possum. The snap shrink on the bottom was heaven sent because I have no problems with any small fingers and bleeders and all that kind of stuff. Ready to rock and roll. Let's go ahead and install this sweep back the way it was. Remove your cover here. There you go. This guy's gonna go back in there this way. Of course, we're gonna wet them a little bit. Boom, 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 boom. And there she slid. Put everything back into place. It's very easy. Jump it right here. There's that thing. It's going to snap in there. And that's all she wrote. Go ahead and clean up your stuff. Vents already done. Windows already done. Pretty much these are some of the harder windows to do. You're already seeing it here. Next video on this one. Can't wait. Have an awesome day.